YouTube Stat Hunter 75 here with a little bit of a throwback. Luka hunting from last year. This is 2018-2019 status basketball. It's a hanger box hobby. Quick little break. Just trying to... It was in the clearance aisle of the local Walmart I was at. So, just trying to get a Luka rookie. That'd be nice. I'm still hunting his silver prism. I wish I bought more last year. I don't know why I didn't. Excuse me. Kawhi Leonard. Dennis Smith Jr. second year. Nikola Jokic. Tony Parker. Danilo Gallinari, Chris Paul, Jrue Holiday, Josh Richardson, Kyrie Irving, DeMar DeRozan, Jeremy Lin, Anthony Davis, top status, rookie credentials, Alonzo Trier, so... Didn't get the Luka. Dante DiVincenzo, Kevin Huerta, Javon Carter, Devontae Graham, Jalen Brunson, Gary Trent Jr. Got like 500 rookies, but not one Luka. Oh well. Dwight Howard. John B. Derek North, Anthony Davis. Oh, you know, can't win them all. So, quick little break right there. Hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, guys.